What's up, guys? It's Kegan from the Kentucky Welding Institute. We're down here today in Texas with one of my good buddies, Chris Kissle, and he's down here welding. So Chris, tell us a little bit about your story in welding and how you got into it, and then what you're doing now.
I got started kind of when I was in high school. I had a really cool welding instructor. He had a good program, and he kind of showed us like, hey, there's different ways to make money than going to college. I got to liking to it a lot. I went to a welding school and then got it out in the industry. Now I pretty much just weld tubes and piping and just kind of, I don't know.
Stay bowed up on that.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So what advice would you give to somebody who's looking to get into welding? Like, what's something that you wish you had known before you started this journey or before you went to welding school?
Well, it's probably save your money as much as you can, and then save some more after that. You can't really do this for forever. So I think just the money's the biggest thing, because you can always get out of it, and once you get out, if you need to come back, it's always going to be here. So just make the most of it while you're young.
So, and you've used your money to buy land and a farm, and you're at your hometown in Missouri.
Yeah.
And then you're looking to move elsewhere, but also rent that house out as well.
Right. I bought my land and my house when I was 21, and now I have it, and I want to buy another house this summer. So the plan is to lease that out and make money out of it, and then take the next step and buy another house.
Gotcha. So anybody who's looking to get into welding and also work out and stay fit, because you like bodybuilding, so what advice would you give someone who's already in bodybuilding but looking to get into welding? What has helped you out to stay working and working out on 712s?
I mean, you just got to stay focused. A lot of guys like to go out to the bars after work and stuff. Just stay out of them. You're going to spend a lot of money that you don't need to. It hurts your body. Prioritize yourself over your work. You can beat yourself up all night, but you still got a life after this.
Right.
Just rest and take care of yourself.
Because this is one of the things that I could never do on 712s. I could never just work 712s and go to the gym. So that's pretty wild how you're able to do that. And I was just curious, if someone was out there who wanted to do it but didn't know how to do it, but also that it's possible. I mean, you do it all the time because you're prepping for your competitions coming up and whatnot. So what's your favorite type of metal to weld?
I mean, I really like Inconel because you can just put a bunch of heat in it. It really doesn't go anywhere.
Gotcha.
And then titanium's fun just because no one really gets to do that at all.
Awesome. Well, hey guys, that's Chris from Missouri, and he's down here in Texas welding. We've known each other for quite a while, and we appreciate your time, Chris. Thank you.
Again, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that like button as well. And if you want to stay up to date on our notifications, go ahead and click the bell button, because we upload videos every week that are very helpful for welders in the welding industry.